So we come to the clown of the week. And ladies and gentlemen, I give you Sir Elton John, sycophant to the stars. Elton John gives White House performance for US president and, quote, history makers. Sir Elton performs several of his smash hits, including Tiny Dancer, Rocket Man, and Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me, before President Joe Biden and Dr. Jill Biden surprised the singer with the National Humanities Medal for his work to end AIDS and all the HIV that goes with it, and assist those living with the condition through the Elton John AIDS Foundation. And the reason I'm smiling there is I remember it was one of these Queen bloody things, John Jubilee or other, I don't know. Anyway, they had all the sycophantic bloody entertainers, singers, etc. on a stage outside Buckingham Palace, and there's the Queen watching, right? And I always remember Elton John sang "Crocodile Rock." I thought that was an amazingly appropriate, although he wouldn't have got the joke, I'm sure. Crocodile Rock, I love it. Anyway, so Sir Elton is given the honor of Clown of the Week because he has been a system sycophant for years and years and years and years. And this is the thing. You start out as a rocker, right? Oh, I'm a rocker, and I'm kind of different. I'm anti-system and now you become Sir Mick Jagger of the Rolling Stones. The pushing back on the system. Oh, we're against the system in the 60s. I remember him, the Rolling Stones. And now he's Sir Mick Jagger kneeling to the monarch. And we have Sir Rod Stewart, another bloody rocker, he claims. And we have Sir Elton John. And all bending their knee to royalty. And now here, eulogizing the senile US president.
It's my great honor, and I mean this sincerely, to present the National Humanities Medal to Sir Elton John. Major Yang, please read the citation.
On it, sir. Good evening, everyone. The President of the United States awards this National Humanities Medal to Sir Elton John for moving our souls with his powerful voice and one of the defining songbooks of all time. An enduring icon and advocate with absolute courage, who found purpose to challenge convention, shatter stigma, and advance the simple truth that everyone deserves to be treated with dignity and respect.
I think we surprised him.
I just said to the First Lady, I'm never flabbergasted, but I'm flabbergasted and humbled and honored by this incredible award from the United States of America. I will treasure this so much, and it will make me double my efforts to make sure this disease goes away. Your kindness, America's kindness to me as a musician is second to none. But in the war against AIDS and HIV, it's even bigger. And I can't thank you enough. I'm really emotional about this. Thank you.
And by the way, it's all his fault that we're spending $6 billion in taxpayer money this month to help fight HIV/AIDS.
So there's Sir Elton John, and he gets the National Humanities Medal from a truly inhuman Biden government for highlighting the dangers of HIV.